ka kinhon menteri bathamba jaka Sorkar Mda 2.0 kala Shong jelang ha ka Kaba Nyngkong ha ka khandai trek ulber haja pulai ha po ka jelang mo menteri rangba ka jelau kon ke sangma ha baikren mikla bathai khubor hadim pelawai ka jelang kon ulong ba ka kinhon menteri kala rai ban priang la ne ban minjur ya ka jingpendam no ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021.
We just concluded the first cabinet meeting of the MDA 2.0 government, and in the cabinet meeting we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet.
The cabinet, we have only 4 ministers from Garo Hills. Will there be more from Garo Hills region?
Yes, there have been large number of MLAs from Garo Hills, but as I said, we have 4 berths have gone to Garo Hills, and 8 ministers are there from Khasi Hills and Jayanti Hills. But we are trying to balance things out. We know that, of course, everybody will have their desire and to represent the district or the region, but it's not always possible because we have limitations. And therefore, I don't encourage that it has to be seen that way all the time, that because it's been 18 here and 4 here. These concerns are there, and I don't say that they are not important. They are important. But at the end of the day, while we form a government and we work for the government, we have to keep in mind that at the end of the day, it is really about what is in the best interest of the state. And that should be the primary criteria to decide on how we move forward. And other criteria also should be taken into consideration. But at the end, the top priority is what is in the best interest of the state.